Hello, let's try to solve another question from exponential equation. The question says if x to the power 1 by a is equal to y to the power 1 by b is equal to z to the power 1 by c and y squared equals to xz so that a plus c equals to b. Since we're given that y squared equals xz, let us first try to convert x and z in terms of y so that the basis on both sides of equation becomes same and we can equate the power. To do that, I've taken one given information, that is x to the power 1 by a is equal y to the power 1 by b. It's given in the question. Now to change x in terms of y, let us multiply both the power by a, both powers of y and x by a, so a on numerator and denominator gets cancelled. So on doing so, what we get is x equals y to the power a by b. Similarly, we can find the value of z in terms of y. Once again, I've taken any two information, that is y to the power 1 by b is equal to z to the power 1 by c from question. So to find z in terms of y, now let us make z on the left hand side of equation. So I've multiplied it by the power by c. So I should also multiply the power of right hand side by c in order to balance the equation. So this gives us z is equal to y to the power c by b. Now we've already find out x and z in terms of y. So now let us substitute the value of x and z. So when we substitute the value of x and z in terms of y and put it in this equation, let us say this as equation 1, what we get is the left hand side of equation y squared remains the same, but x changes into y to the power a by b and z changes into y to the power c by b. Since the bases are same, and so what we have to do is we have to add the power from this rule of indices. Here base are same, and since we multiply the bases, the common bases having different power, the power gets added. So here what we have to do is we have to add the power of both y, and so this gives us y squared on the left hand side of equation and y to the power a plus c divided by b on right hand side. Since the bases on left hand side and right hand side of equation are same, we can equate the power from this rule over here. Here the bases on right hand side and left hand side are same, and so we can equate the power. On equating, we get a by b is equal to m by n. So on equating the power of both y on right hand side and left hand side, we get 2 equals a plus c divided by b. And when we cross multiply this equation, we get 2b is equal to a plus c. And this is what we have to solve according to our question. A plus c equals 2b, and we've done the same, and we've completed the question. So thanks for watching.